This week, LeTip of Dallas, we have some of our new members helping with the program. Hi, I'm Steve Meleleu with SMA Insurance Services. We are a commercial insurance broker and have been members of LeTip for 6 years. Before we get to the program for the 29th of June, here's an update on our tips. So far this year, we've had over $308,000 of tips exchanged with our group. Each chair is worth $14,000. That's why being a member of LeTip helps pay you. Our showboater this week is John Petrino, aka JP. He's part of Alliance Restoration. They're a home remodeling company. Now, JP is going to show us examples of what they do to upgrade and update your home, as well as talk a little bit about how he manages the project if you're having a bathroom or a kitchen remodeled. So, stop by and see JP, see what they can do, and maybe you can get your kitchen remodeled. Our greeter this week is Christina Belmont of Elite Data. She'll be the one that greets you when you walk in the door to our meeting. Our featured speaker this week is Ashley Kavanaugh of WebBiz. Ashley designs websites, and she can also help you update and redesign your site so it's now compliant. She can also help integrate other things such as online payments. So if you need a website updated, you need one created, Ashley's the person to go to. Join us this week at Sherlock's Baker Street Pub in Addison. Our networking begins at 11:30 a.m. Bring plenty of business cards and then be prepared to tell us about who you are for a quick 10-second introduction, and later in the meeting, you give a 30-second commercial on your business. We want to show you why we believe putting dollars in your pocket is the reason to be a member of LeTip of Dallas. Thank you.